Who's the boy?
His name is Felix Williams. He's 16 years old. His girlfriend is over there. Her name is Denise Knightley. She found him and called us.
Okay, I go over to her and make an inquisition.
And I will speak to the neighbors to try to find out if somebody has seen something.
Hello, my name is Officer Götz.
Hello.
Did you find your boyfriend?
Yes, I found him. It was horrible to see him lying there.
Here, please. At which time did you find your boyfriend?
I don't know, but I think it was between 10 and 10:20 because I called the police at 10:20.
Okay, and what happened?
I came to see my boyfriend, but as I arrived, he was already dead. He wrote me a message to come over here at 10 o'clock, but if I had come earlier, he wasn't dead. I remember there was something in the bush.
Did you recognize somebody?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Hello, I'm from the police. My name is Officer Laube.
How can I help you?
Do you know this person?
Of course I know him. He's my neighbor. Why?
He was killed this morning.
What? I can't believe it! He's a good friend of mine! I mean, he was.
Where have you been between 10 and 11 o'clock today?
I was at home because I'm on holiday.
Is there somebody who can testify this?
No, I was alone at home. But you have to believe me because I would never be able to hurt somebody.
Did you notice something special this morning?
No, everything was usual until you came.
Okay, always call me if you remember something.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. What did you find out?
The girlfriend said that there's something moving in the bus.
Do you know what was moving?
No, she wasn't able to see it. What did the neighbor say?
He was at home, but he didn't notice anything. And he hasn't got an alibi. I think we have to observe him.
There's a second neighbor over there. Maybe he knows something. Let's go there. Hello, madam. We're from the police. My name is Fritz. Okay, I've got her.
Okay, then I will look around.
Stand up.
Look what I found. It looks like
Cocaine?
I think so. Does it look like snow, or what do you think it is?
I don't know, it's not mine. Of course, it's from your dog. You should better come with us.